That's the Jeep just doing what it does when I'm just driving. Lights going crazy. Traction, got a vibration in it. It does it randomly. All this stuff happened after Encore worked on it. Never done this before. Let's see if it does it. Yep, there it goes again. Good work of Encore. Yep. Encore Jeep. There it goes again. Not saying I ain't got no anti-traction or traction control, whatever the hell that is. And it's not off here. It's off up here. Oh, that's the button off. I don't know what the hell that label is. I guess it ain't traction control. I don't know what that is. I'm wanting to see if it does anything. Like I said, crazy vibration in the wheel now.